The second thing when we come to upon is a time for we as a nation start develop, produce and manufacture our own stuff them. You see me? Me I talk about when it comes to clothing, shoes, car, cologne, all of them things there. We need to start manufacture our own self because we have a lot of talented people in Jamaica. We have the ability, if we can do them things at us. They push them on and the bucketive behind them. And the government is not willing to put all of these resources behind these people to develop the economy and the country. So, listen, a time for we start develop and produce and manufacture things what the world need. You see me? At that time for our economy, we not produce nothing, we only import things. And the things that we are import is not healthy or good for the people when they're in Jamaica. We grow up and eat organic things. So we are going to import things, one organic and I eat it. Or we expect them things that are good for the people in Jamaica. And these are the things why them implement these people like Orius Chang and these people. Yo, man, I start bonfire upon them, you know. Them have to go kill me, you know. And that me I tell you, you know. Them boy they have to go. And them are the problem in the island. Jamaica need to start we need to start developing our own product. Sustain our own things. You see me? All the farmer them, we need to start. The government need to give back the farmer them the right to start farm back at Jamaica and stop import all of these food where them are import. Because we have the best organic food in the whole world, in the Caribbean. So why are we importing food in the country when we don't need it, when we have the farmer, them are starve, the crop them are die out, and the government now come give a helping hand. In every other country, when time something happen, the government come and them give seed, them help with the crop them